Threaded with European precision and built like mechanical masterpieces, Scania trucks represent a pinnacle of commercial transport engineering, but despite their global acclaim, they remain ghostly rarities on American highways. Many have wondered why such iconic machines, admired for their efficiency, durability, and futuristic styling, are considered illegal or heavily restricted on US roads. The truth lies not in the truck's quality, but in the clash between two vastly different regulatory worlds and transportation cultures. Scania, a Swedish marque under the Volkswagen Group's Traton division, has dominated Europe with its powerful inline-6 and V8 diesel engines, some producing over 770 horsepower. The trucks are praised for unmatched torque delivery, modular chassis designs, and aerodynamic cabs that prioritize driver comfort and fuel efficiency. However, they were never officially certified for sale in the US, where domestic giants like Freightliner, Peterbilt, Kenworth, and Mack have long set the industry standard with vehicles purpose-built for North American roads and logistics networks. One major hurdle is compliance. Scania trucks do not meet all federal motor vehicle safety standards, FMVSS, and Environmental Protection Agency (EPA) emissions requirements as defined for heavy-duty Class 8 trucks in the US. Everything from lighting configurations to bumper heights and side reflectors can create legal conflicts. Also, US trucks typically feature longer hoods for easier engine access and cooling, whereas Scania's cab-over engine co-design, popular in space-constrained Europe, clashes with American highway preferences and regulations on axle spacing and length. In rare cases, enthusiasts or collectors import Scania trucks under the 25-year rule, which allows non-compliant vehicles into the country for show or limited-use purposes. These models, especially from the 1990s, like the Scania 143H or the early R series, are prized at auctions and truck shows, often valued between $60,000 and $120,000, depending on their condition and modifications. But operating them commercially remains a legal labyrinth few dare navigate. Compared to modern US heavyweights like the Kenworth W990 or Freightliner Cascadier, Scania may offer advanced tech and unique aesthetics, but the absence of a dealership and service network, coupled with regulatory red tape, keeps it off mainstream roads in America. If truck legends from around the globe fire up your imagination, and you crave stories of machines that cross borders and break norms, then shift gears with us. Subscribe now, share your dream rigs below, and become part of our ever-growing convoy of global truck enthusiasts.